Sa obi mu ne Omanhene mu no. Let me tell you what they are doing. A game, a settings, a agenda. They are stupid people, very corrupt people. Nkwasiafo, ubetumi ukrom hine ehiafo, ubetumi makasa sa. Ubetena radio so because of politics, because mo pese mo titi di pantem, because of your selfish stupid greed ninti. Mo betena radio so makeka nkwasiasam. Wo ye kwasia. Mo nimu nyansa. Mo jimi na mo ti radio so. And sometimes no, that agenda na mo betena TV so just Ghana for nyina jimi yo. Say ekro we dania, mo ne be di mo chi first. He will come after you people first because mo na mo say ekro no. Oyire kronfo na oti maritime authority no. Ya be bona power how betuma atena car na wuchu no Omanhene komna sante wo sika betuma yi no port enya gapo afo and escape ya na yi car ma wo kromfo yete ya na jankroma scandal ba ye uko alaji wokoji sika 20,000 kromfo you are sitting in Ghana screaming ewi after all these things share the eba no Andrew said me hu say Omanhene mutie no oni obi. Then the question I want to ask you is say dear radio any TV a dear talk show and a yeba be ya yenya e pre-production they discuss things on the end of the because 8 years now MPP buy no they had this idea say yeah dear we are going to set our sidelines and take money, we are not going to show our faces. Now sa obi mu ne Omanhene no they are beginning to realize say you need to take a stand, you need to let people know where you stand. Send your beya to me you will also be a billionaire. Until right now you know every single person who spoke and the Ekufuadwa, they're not Ekufuadwa by Omiya Enyano. They have created this thing in the system. They are going to go after every single person. They want people to see them as against the government. Senebeya, the MPP in opposition will see them as one of them. In the West Stadia, on Metna TV, they plan everything from the back. Obi will be the neutralizer. Oh, come on, Jai, where they say, or your software, where they now Omanhene and the Fuse a dino. The doors kete na akwashani true muno. Now okay can kwasiasam. Then you ask yourself, say, this thing you are talking about, didn't you pre-discuss it before you came on the show? They do all these acts because of some way Jimmy. Until right now, the Omo say they are taking an entrenched position because Omo Ghana ha 8 years. And Kofobi Omo taking entrenched position. Omo de ba Omiane Kufu about power no. They are now millionaires than them. So now they are beginning to believe, say, okay, what we are going to do is we are going to make the government unpopular. We are going to create that impression for MPP to know, say, we are the ones who are working for them. There is nothing that this government will do that will please these people because they are now also building their political career. And they know it is only the MPP that can give them that room. And sometimes, utmitie in Sembise or TV. So listen to him very well. Nebusa will say, Asempa canon engineers want to say, listen to this.
Sit where they are. It's Mr. President. I came this afternoon to remind you of your promises that you gave to Ghanaians. Work towards that promise, but don't listen to the people who are just saying, Bibi are you okay? Bibi are you okay? Bibi are you okay? If you have Dr. Lawrence Totte today, look at his position and explanation he's given about LGBTQ. Dr. Lawrence Totte, I beg you. So say, please, Obi. You see, when you do that, please, don't mess with so please. Obi, Jai, what changing? What, please, Obi, Jai, interview. Jai, please, don't do that. On from the position. What do you mean by that? This nonsense. So now John Mahama is your friend. So we should take our time. Let to politicize this. Akufo-Addo was your enemy. Please don't go there. Baby, I don't know. We need to call a spade and stop all these things. We cannot get a beautiful country if we start behaving this way. I'm telling you, we cannot get a beautiful country if we start the likes of Dr. Lawrence Totte. Yeah, but the point he has made, please. President and no one please, give me. You can make. Please. You can criticize. For now, there is nothing before the president. So he's comfortable with the utterance of the president. He's comfortable. No, I don't know what you're saying. I don't know the hypocrisy and lack of principle on certain personalities in this country. It's getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand, and that will cause the president and the NDC. It will cause them. Do you know the trust and power of John Dramani Mahama Moni and this? Do you have an idea? Sir, it showed in the vote. Please. We beg the fair weather friends and the sycophants, the blackmailers around the president. We beg them, give the president the peace of mind to focus. Why? Aden. My brother. Now the big no catches the piano. Ya come on my baby explain ya bubu ya actually. Ya come on my baby.
A man for nim.
Oh my brother, Obi, please, Obi. No, please, I'm saying that hold on, Obi. I am saying Obi. If we don't start doing what is right and start correcting what is wrong, and we allow these things to fester, as if say, okay, and when you say, and the Indian council, and then you say, Obi, then I'm telling you, this country, we are shutting down completely. Completely. Never seen the 69 years. Obi we had 14 months. Yen Tianica. You go through the Komaki can semi and send for change background. O say normal because we are baby by noise. It did a baby a bar. No, because way by and say no yet. It required the ultimate cabby. No, but now no dear no yet.
The question here is I feel Mokano. And I want to start from the back. Oh, say I keep telling Ghana for more NDC for being with Jimno. Oh, agenda no more certain. You see the agenda they are setting, they are situating themselves. And you ask yourself, say, Abrantia or Tisu and the BPI could do 33,000. Now, someone can what is the end game? The all can assess saying, is here also the end. The question you ask yourself, say, okay, Abrantia or also a journalist, or say, Enti Asempa or can was here no ne fapem ne saying. All started Kasano, he spoke about things are not okay. What is not okay in the government? Mr. President, some things in your okay. What is not okay? It is your job. What is not okay in the saying? Then he jumped to, oh, Mr. Lawrence Tete. Then Mr. Lawrence Tete. And I said, Dr. Lawrence Tete. Sofonaka. Wrong. Yes, Dr. Lawrence Tete say, President say, LGBT, bill, no, anti-LGBTQ bill, no, ebe can and sa, obe sign it. And that right now, as we sit in Ghana, our priority, then they say, what is before the president is the priority. And our priority right now in Ghana is what is before the president. Is the LGBTQ bill. Is it before the president? So there's something important today than the LGBTQ. If you want the LGBTQ or the anti-LGBTQ bill to be a priority to this government, Parliament needs to do its job and put it before the president. We are kwasia. So right now, the president should stop doing everything and sit in Flagstaff House and wait for that bill. Who is supposed to work on the bill to put in front of the president? So if Lawrence Tete is telling you that the president so far has not gotten any bill in front of him and that he's not going to criticize the president because there was a president who was in power who got the bill and rejected it. What kind of politics is this? Because as I sit here, my priority if my team is working on a scandal and that scandal is very important to you, that's a team it's not a priority to me. Even though that thing is important, you know, Andrea Mekachira will say, I'm going to do a scandal on Ekufuado. The boss has shrinking, and everybody wants to know Ekufuado's boss, whether it has shrunk or not. Now there are more important things that was here because my team is not done with the investigations to get me all the facts. It does not mean say that investigation is not moving. Scandal, it's not important. But right now, no, I have a list of stories before me I have to deal with. They are priorities. So what says is because of that, no, the scandal now my team is working on to bring me the final the report for me to speak on. The president is a liar. Are you stupid? Where Jimmy? And see, that is the reason why you are sitting there insulting Dr. Lawrence Tete. Now, bet me do come here attempt to suffer no kwasia. And Omanhene TV, so they want to act as if say they don't know what is happening. They know now. He moved from there. Let me tell you what they are doing. A game, a settings, a agenda. They are stupid people, very corrupt people. Or say, now, Nana Ekufuado is Lawrence Tete's enemy. Are you stupid? And he found Lawrence Tete Jina say he hates Ekufuado. Lawrence Tete spoke against Ekufuado's inactions and actions because Nana Danko Ekufuado, Parliament did the job. They transferred the document to him to sign. Nana Danko Ekufuado's Jubilee House wrote a letter and told Parliament not to even transmit that document to them. So if Ekufuado had not written that letter to Parliament, say they should not even transmit that letter, and Ekufuado and sign. And you sit there and you want to create an impression, say Lawrence Tete making the statement clear. No, Lawrence Tete, Ubetumi ukrom hine ehia for ubetumi no makasa sa. Mo betena radio so because of politics, because mo pese mo titi di pantem, because of your selfish stupid greed inti. Mo betena radio so makeka kwasi asem. He moved forward. Efe o say o intesi an John Mahama na ye wadamfo. Kwasia, when did Lawrence Tete ever say John Mahama is his friend and Akufo-Addo is his enemy? Uye kwasia. Munni munyansa. Mo jimi na mo ti radio so, and sometimes no sa agenda na mo de betena TV so just Ghana for nyina jimi ye jimi yo. Me say ekro we dania mo ne be di mo chi first. This country, if it's fall off, if it breaks open, we will come after you people first because mo na mo say krono. The president of the republic told Ghana for every single day I go to the office. Every single day I go to the office. Now just at Mahama office, we run Flagstaff House in there. Now yeah, the bill every parliament about to the desk in this one. Do you think Mahama will say he will not sign? Whatever he goes and meet, he needs to sign it. But has somebody transmitted any document in front of Mahama? Has Parliament done its job? No. Intelligent alternatives na otu in fifre or who BP or yaria adjun so huna or talking can kwasi to say they will be doka. You don't know anything than anybody. Now he goes on to say this. People should watch their utterances. A dear Semna Lawrence Tetaka. Because one, obi the document I got to Mahama Nima one sign. Two, has the president ever made a statement publicly that when the document is sent to him, he wouldn't sign? Now, I blame the person who put that radio station together with Jimmy. Because son of person of Ghana, and that person call him and say, no. Your basis for your argument does not make any sense. Because there's a personal. You have personal issues with people. You want to work for Baumia to see, who ye Juma Mano. Or you know, maritime authority, no. Ya be bona power, how bet Martinase. Kana wuchi no, Omanhene Kobna Sante. Who was the car bet me no port? And yet, Gapoha for and escape and the Yikarama. Crom for Yatiana Jankruma scandal by Oko Alaji Wokoji Sika. 20,000 crom for you are sitting in Ghana screaming. And you people always want to create the impression. Now, Moyam Kwasi radio. So now he moved from there. And what did he say? Now the president is the one explaining Abobo Yahweh Kwasia. What is your job as a president, as a presenter, as a journalist? When the president or a government brings out a policy, and you as a journalist say, "Onya kromfo and abaso kind of cry," you tell the people, "Sir, a tricycle. No, what is the purpose for the tricycle?" Because you know the difference between an ambulance and a tricycle. It is upon you. So, you have to explain to the people that the government, because we launching air tricycles, we know free healthcare, no, or catch a Ghana for say these tricycles are for this purpose. There are ambulances. Unless you foolish idiot sitting there, you yourself, you don't know the difference between a tricycle and an ambulance. When a government puts an information out and the president decides, say, in a speech, he wants to clarify, does it mean the president is coming to explain Abobo ya to Yas? Are you very stupid? Say the number of times Akufo-Addo Ekasafa free SHS, it meant to say the people in his government they didn't understand free SHS. Who you Jimmy for? You are stupid. You do basic journalism and kwasiafo journalism. When there's no cause, problem niwa oba criticize Mahama. He's not going to do it. And if there's a problem, he has to criticize. He will criticize. You people cannot force anybody to do your bidding. Kwasiafo na wuti radio so wadwuma ne saying. Wadwuma ne so be cheche ma kire Ghana for abandi a free primary health care ba and all the tricycles account as kire saying. Tricycles any ambulance difference in the womb. Their purpose that tricycles ne be sa motorbikes no abandi by no see enye den. What is your job? Kwasia. Now you saw now ATM no and Ghana for you now den yan kwhye dem nyanka se onim nyansa. You are a foolish man. John Mahama when Gina baby anka say on sign bill no I'm going to play it to you. When Jimmy na mugu Ghana ho ya tiama na mubu ofu motum fifre akromfo awifo woni Dominic na moko alaji no ho ukoji 20,000 have you on camera. A read to say you don't have any moral right to sit on radio or TV to speak against this government. A read kromfo. And you people, when you want Ghana, you are stealing from people and setting people up. Lawrence Tete will not attack Mahama when it is right for him to do it. I was so yeah, into problem you want problem umbrana. And here Mahama Jina ya catch Ghana for say I will not sign the anti-LGBTQ. I have no Jina kaye kwasiabema. mo na mo me di mo atam no mo agimi school na mo koe no mo ansue nyansa mo fu na mo de nam enkwasiade any tribe enti ye di mo atam a yensuro. This is the president of the republic. Listen to him. Siato.
Regarding LGBTQ plus issues, it remains a highly emotive and sensitive issue even in the most advanced liberal democracies. I explained during my recent engagement with the World Affairs Council that it's not the most important issue we face as a nation. We're still grappling with the provisions of basic needs of education, healthcare, jobs, food, clothing, and shelter. Nevertheless, the private members' bill introduced in Parliament has sparked a complex and sensitive national conversation. Our position is guided by our Constitution, respect for human rights and dignity of all persons, and the need to preserve social cohesion. While there are strong and differing views within our society, we believe that these issues must be addressed through democratic processes, our core values, dialogue, and the rule of law. I'm also mindful of reactions from our international partners, including the recent developments such as Lincoln University's withdrawal of their honorary doctorate. These developments underscore the importance of continued engagement and mutual respect, and of situating our national decisions within our constitutional and cultural context. Ghana will continue to uphold its democratic values while engaging on the issue, even in the most advanced liberal democracies. I explained during my recent engagement with the World Affairs Council that it's not the most important issue we face as a nation. We're still grappling with the provisions of basic needs of education, healthcare, jobs, food, clothing, and shelter. Nevertheless, the private members' bill introduced in Parliament has sparked a complex and sensitive national conversation. Our position is guided by our Constitution, respect for human rights and dignity of all persons, and the need to preserve social cohesion. While there are strong and different views... It's
not the most important issue we face as a nation. The anti-LGBTQ trumu bill on air pass, is it the most important issue we are facing today? Kwasiabema ukromu izyo. Kwasiabema ukromu nipa nyadwumaye. Kwasiabema ukromu kan yegyina so. Kwasiabema nipa yare apemfo ogu ukromu omunya hospital kranko. Kwasiabema yesi hospital wo ukromu. Mwejibiji mo betena nkrama say police dogs. Okachire mo see that bill is not the most important, meaning it is important but not the most important. Bro, funa montiana. Or see the bill is not the most important. It does not mean it is not important. It means that when they work on it and they bring it before him, it becomes the most important. Right now, we are dealing with the things before the president. How how about time you bet me how we bet me a free maternal care how a health crisis na ekosono you bet me solve no bed syndrome. But every single branch of government needs to do their job for it to turn the most important. Asempa president can how do you sit there and make it look like? Because when the president was saying this, there was no bill before him, and there's still no bill before him to sign. Parliament sat in Parliament. They did all the job in Parliament. What did Ekufuado write to Parliament? Don't transmit the anti-LGBTQ plus bill to Ekufuado. That is what President Ekufuado told Parliament. What has Lawrence Tete done? Because we are to mutaino. Because wakase yen to me fatchi kasa nchire nkranfo ade into motoso so moa. Na de uchi no eche nkranfo kasa na. Mo yen kwasiafo ohun. Mo tin nkranfo asa so na mo disrespect yo mo. Kwasiampa you wetu go kumasi akodi kumasi so for atem. Mo betra nkran a because obi anhye mo so, obi antata mo, obi ankyere mo bebi oso mo de tusinti. Mo betra mo be se mo bu nipa nimtia. This thing they are doing is not about anything. It is because Lawrence Tete said the gun language should be sustained. And in Kran Chronom, no, I will see a man in Kran Casania priority. And then I am because Omutimuno, Omasante Casano, and I Cassiachan will be a buofunu. Where did the president say he's not going to sign? Your Achichidia Munkwasia Partino, they got the bill. They said Parliament should not transmit it to Ekufuado. A buofunu. Motina radio stock kan kwasi asam na emada mochi omutumi kanyan sanchire mo moto kan ejimi for, and you misinform the people. The question here is that, so I was say President explaining Abobo ya, you sitting there calling yourself the journalist, what is your job? Sankwasi, I didn't mean a Kwame Sefa in the past. When Mahama was in power, Yabusa Kwame Sefa said, do you see anything good about the NDC administration in 2016, 2014, 15, 16? Kwame Sefa can catch Ghana for say it is not his job to tell Ghana for about Doomsona Mahama solving. It was not his job to talk about free SHS, e-blocks that Mahama is, Kwame Sefa can catch say it is not his job to tell Ghana for about hospitals that Mahama is, Kwame Sefa can general radio so Nkwasia for MPP ba power. Now Kwame Sefa can to board the so MPA in Muama. And that is the same thing they are doing. And they've been doing this for years. I Ghana for Muhuana. Don't you people see it in them? Can't you look through them? Can't you see that these people are enemies of the state? Boxer shorts say afo ke kan kwase asem utipeni Lawrence Tete. Utipeni Dr. Lawrence Tete. Now the people in Ghana, ye persiko fans, omo to son kwase asem so anyam na mo so ekufu so emmoa ekufu ado time na mo bube. Na mo to sebi because na mo pese ebekumo enwan ekufu ado time na wo Omanhene Kwabena Asante wo he oyiri nya adwuma wo Maritime Authority. A mo tumi si mu dan abuofunu ene de ye nyina ye nkoku Mahama ne Lawrence Tete. Abo na Lawrence Tete nkobusu ani akabetuma kasa kire ne sa. Siafo. I'll be back. Ye jinim. Alaji fama omo.
I do what you do. What have I been doing? What has what Satan? What has what? I want them to study them. Talk about the Kajinani. I want to do that. So advise you now.
We are not going to stop this. As far as people like Sankwasi afford what system, we are not going to quit this job. Me say I'm going to retire in about 10 years' time. And no crying just me free radio so or TV so totally. I'll be showing up once in a while. Maybe I met me days in so. So we are not going to go anywhere. And we are not scared of anybody. You people can do all the investigations about me. You find nothing. It is a say you are ganging up to misinform the people about the NDC government. Oh boy, you will not get that space. Lawrence Tete, Ondi Obiatem, on Kansem Bonibia, Samo Pese, a year bill na, a year Juma Monfankoma Mahama, I want a desk so Kwasia 4 in Chamwa, Kotori and the budget, a good for the Tesla to become arguing in general. Mahama Nefo, Lawrence Tete and Crane, Mosofo, I saw from Guas and Timo, but my good matem, a buofunu. Oba bro cheo tete kede Japan basement say police dog. You use some say moi. Mo betina TV so amon kan okre. We are not going to allow you people. Ana ya me ya. Say some of the NDC people allow you food, they give you money. Ana ya me ya. Some of the NDC boys, omonya appointment, they are giving people like you people money. They take care of you people like dogs. Internet shimmy. And all of them, they will get to know their smoothness level in the future. They will understand me. They keep money, they give you people money like, oh, we know you. We have worked with you for a long time. You are our friend. They don't still understand. MPP boys, they are still young. Their brain is still low when it comes to these things. Me in politics, if I don't like you, I don't come close to you. That is me. That's my principle. Politics is a dangerous thing. Don't underestimate a politician or you would need or take a decision anytime because everything is about their interest. So when you're dealing with a politician who does not like you, don't underestimate anything he does. He can take you out. Because the ukutano ope. Do you know the number of young people in the MPP omope Sami Jemfi position? Do you know? Do you know the number of MPP young boys omope Basintele position? Do you know? Unim MPP for do omope Randiabe position. Do you know? So young people no omo NYA, young people na NPA, Ejuditama Club position. Do you know the number of people omo Baumiancha omope sa position? Unim kwafo omope boss position. Do you know the number of people in the MPP omope tema oil refinery juma? You think it's a joke? Unim omo MPP omope the opportunity for Baumia to win power for them to do some things. Uju say agro kwasia. What was say I like these people. They don't like you. Your interest is not their interest. I'm telling you. I have been there. I know. Me, I have been there. And I know what this game is. There are no good people in this game, especially those who are not on your side, the things you believe in. There is nothing good on that side because whatever is on this side wants it. Intended when your position and your mama has given you a position, now I will say, with me a cool guy, me the me pobia sem. Well, how about these people? Let me treat them as brothers. Massa, they will finish you. Because whatever you have, they want it. There's only one appointee under John Mahama. Me realize say this is a real politician or a Santini. We need appointment that in John Mahama first, he was given an appointment. That is one person. Let's not say when it comes to politics. When it comes to politics, in John Mahama Part 1, that young man, he was in that government. And that guy, when I spoke to him, I now understood. Say, or politics. What you say, Jimmy? And you people sit there, you want to be for the Christmas. Oh, MP for a minion, hey? Now, yeah, party. Ni afrefre sa boys way no mo na party na se no mo na mufie no mo biabia mo dan no mo hwem no mo wuram no mo hwe mo yerenom no mo koba on betum aduro kumo. They are waiting for the right time. So onim nyansa now your MPP ni NDC ni na now your party wo fie no afrefre sa Omanhene mo no obi mo no MPP for oh come we are brothers apart from politics we are brothers. Hey, in politics go John Mahama. Go and ask John Mahama. The people he trusted in politics are the people who destroyed him. Go and ask your own boss John Mahama. You people should get up in the morning. One day, munya time, I am John Mahama on Indian Komo. Say, boss, who are the people who destroyed you? Every single person in politics he believed and trusted, they are the people who destroyed him. You just came into politics. Muhu sikada, muhu femuda, muhu how to control people around you. Na me akwamtiano, anka I don't know who event biase. I don't know who program biase. I don't know who's I'm making friends all over the place because I know who I'm dealing with. I know the kind of people around you. I watch you and I laugh. And I smile. With me, I've built a boundary around my family. I know who I call family. And I don't have more than 15 people I call family. Because I know what politicians can do. Where Jimmy Nti, yeah, the Ghana politics. Yeah, yeah, Chimo radio station near Bomo. Yeah, can't some so. Dia munya ekrasima ye at a point that we didn't go court or kwasi ase unia person jailu ato forcing enya me ne din ho e born ho ban anka ato forcing ken den ka do for that to jail. Now I'm telling you, Tachujikata is speaking. Today he was saying, say a man street warning anka ya poison wo jail. Enya ni papa be na ka kire na J.A. Kufuor came to power. The purpose was to make sure Chachu dies in jail. Oh Fred J.A. Kufuor unia. And Chachuchikata order them na owu na Kufuor urawa na kuma bebo bri. You know why? He's scared of the guy because he sees him as a dangerous man, and he is never going to open his door for Kufuor abro obi anymore because you know Kufuor still harbors that hatred in his heart. And you don't underestimate. You understand these things. You understand these things. More MP NDC for young politicians, young politicians. You are stupid. You people are stupid. You still don't understand what you are in. And Kufuor more on the sidelines. That is their target. That is their priority. And the MPP Nibia or Kasama Emma Baumia or Kasama MPP. It is what is in your hand and in our pay. I am telling you. So nobody, I'm not saying Kotresi can go be, but you need to draw a line. Now we are NDC appointee. Now we say, oh, your party will fee. Baby, I want to know yereda udu tito. And people you know can turn against you all anytime. People you cannot call family. You invite them into your house. Now I'm gonna move in the name say I know this person. Why radio I check? Now me call the radio so where do your MPP ni? When do I find? Where Jimmy? Are you stupid? Even your own party people, you don't give them the room to enter your matrimonial home. You don't do that. They will destroy you. Actually, you just don't want to understand. You need to understand the politics you are in. It is not for friends. So I am telling you. See the things Chema want to be said about John Mahama. See the things they said about Professor Nana Opoku-Agyeman. Let me tell you. Lordina Mahama, onyo bia odoni kunu anka ogua aware na gu. Anka Baomia Samira ne nkwara eye Chema wutumi mo ensem omo kato Lordina ne Mahama so anka omo break the home. Do you know anka baby an mabe wo? Do you know what you're talking about? And you sit here today you make it look like it's politics as usual. We are kwasia me call MPP for nya omo kume. I'm telling you, omo nya me yire ne me ma me bokeles they'll kill them. So I don't see them as friends. I don't play like that. I don't allow those things because there's no second chance. Omunyawa, they will take you out. Mumusa Samira, how many times or tries to become? You people crazy. You people sit and you think this is a joke. Protect your future. Protect what has been given you. John Mahama, I am unyata munkono ho. Now mumusa say, obeka chiremo. You don't understand politics. Mumubi do mwe Jimmy. You see small money. All of you people in this government, you this young boys, have you seen money before? Do you know what money is? Majority of you 1 week have you seen money? And then you people pretend to say, suddenly you are loved by everybody. Everybody is your friend. Let me open my arms. Come to my office. Come to my home. Let me be. Are you crazy? Where Jimmy? Because the power that you yield today, power de kuta wodeno, ye kuobi na unsaka. Somebody had to die. Do you know that? My child story, team, stay with me. And you people, I read the name. But we show one of my so serious. What to be my society, me to me stress. I'm say, you have not seen anything yet. Eh? American politics. Come here and see. Hillary, I am telling you, Yatiana Mula Wuye, Diana, your president can any day. Tell say politics, America, you're mature in politics. Yatiana, special prosecutor Mula Wuye, Diana, your president can say any day. What to walk? What do Kwasia to work at them say? Any Nianom. Yeah, but draw the line. Draw the line. Kede Japan bibia ma MPP for otumi free Ghana edeme ba court. I spent almost $240,000 of a said sika at the end of the day almost about damn ya na adwunu adwuma. Kede Japan. He did that because not odo MPP or so prove MPP for say odo party no or the sika of full plane Eba America, ever spend this sika to go to court with me to prove to MPP for or the party no. At the end of the day, I'm gonna check in Japan say you be an argument so ya kwasia onimu nyansa. Kwasia to him say this is politics. It is family. Uya boa. Unimu nyansa. Uya Jimmy for unimu nyansa. I am telling you, I'm showing you what politics is like. It's me, I don't take chances. I don't. I met my culture say me I don't have real MPP friends. I don't have it because Obia MPP mubia a suspect, mommy. Every single person in the MPP is a suspect to me. I don't care where you are coming from. You when you get the opportunity, so when you're ready, so by your be to with my bro. I don't give you the room. I don't joke with my life like that. Don't see politics as brothers as usual, sisters as usual. No, wait, Jimmy. Your body pan what you to Ghana because of power. This issue, this nipa Ghana for your bobu tuo te yatena krom ha na your politics. Oh bodam. you see this as a joke? This is not a joke. Yabo amanfo mbatuo yeku amanfo kununom. Your politics. You are seeing it as it's politics as usual. What bodam? Obo keles or the drobe gun semekun. Obo keles obe high nipa mama ekun. Obo keles obe mo bia botuo. Obo keles obe kan watu atwene. What was say politics? Enti you have let your guard down. Enti bibia ye nuanom. We Jimmy. Unimu nyansa. Politics now share you know. This is politics. This is politics. This is real politics now. Now, what do we Jimmy to the radio? So, and this near your mobile power. No, you knew your home. The idea and the abang will show you. You don't understand what you are doing. Whatever you people have today, they need it. They ain't no more campaign. They ain't no more today. Whatever you have today. Whether you're a journalist, you are a regular guy, you work for the NDC, whatever, Sami Jemfikuta and NDP before here. Adebia Kuta Duzita Maklo NP before here. Adebia Kuta John Mahama's appointee Biano MP before here. Adebia Kuta John Mahama NP before here. Whatever Lordina has today, but Samira, she needs it. You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke? Where Jiminti, you think this is funny? Where you mean you are no? They don't fucking care. But finance minister to forcing. Ono nyame and abon ho ban bedru ha. Maybe God has a purpose for him in life. Sometimes go back and check at forcing how he has gone through the mill to get to this point at today in our history. The first finance minister and the Ghanaians are yearning. They see him and they have hope. He speaks and there's joy. He's the first Ghanaian finance minister. Wait to me, Edi Nimraso, ama Ghana who say ampa. You will be on Nyansa Obetuma to Ghana. Then go back and check where he started and why he is here today. Ato forcing. Na Kenya nyame na hwehwe bibia man anko da jail nkende nko pro ko bewu. Take Godfrey Dame na mo. Do you ever thought to say Godfrey Dame to me asheda so obeso de ato forcing to fiase? The plan was from Afenyomakin. They be Afenyomakin to the TV, so Ato forcing is my brother. Oh, Ato. And so now Afenyomakin were behind the scenes. They should put him in. Go and ask Ato forcing. He knows all that. What to Wakajem say? Politics ye nuanom. Ome kuwa to actually. Monfamu Jimmy internet now, he? Omoji 2 minutes free munsema. Adebi omeye wo kuro dum no. You may say MPP we need power ne echire coup. MPP, if they get the opportunity to take power today, echire coup. You people are never going to see peace again. They'll print a message to the world that you people are living in a democratic state. Adebi omeye mo Ghana no. Ever seen there, but Obia still doesn't believe he lost the elections. And Nayiri every night Tibia is fighting him and telling him he's a fool because he was supposed to take over the elections. He was supposed to do worse than the Kufuado. He would have kept the power. But Baumia Debia catch and say, "What Samira? A dear na wa mamanye, a dear na yanye, a dear na yanfengu form, a dear na yensie. Why are we not in power?" So they have a big problem at home. The anger in Samira, the anger in the leadership of the MPP, what they are going through today at Ghana for any atia. If you fool, ye Jimmy ni sa bete. Now you enjoy democracy, now you refi and one term because you refi at the end term. You nya a little bit of comfort, but you refi problems. Hey, ye Jimmy ni sa bete. Ye Jimmy ni sa bete. Now you start be Jimmy and we say, oh, where the politics and they get hold, they grab power. Do you know what Samira Baumia will do with power? Sa lady, no. Do you know what she would do with power? Now, second lady cry, you saw what she did with power. Of a private jet, Ekosra Kunkumbaja, or Bubunko for dying to go here as a second lady who was not assured of power to be the first lady. At that time, Krana Onye Nipana and Hontumagon to Magosa Bolega confirm no, Obu Dangu. This is a woman who has no umbilical cord or Ghana. Onya Ghana niba. Yeku Ghana niya, she does not feel it like me. When Ghanaians are murdered on the streets of Ghana, na empete edi omunama, Samira and cannot say me because she is not a Ghanaian. She is looking at power. She does not care. Anybody who stands before and now between on any power, and you are a casualty. And I have a reason for saying this. That Samira Beifona Muhuni Sarani Kruno, the pain in the heart of these people. Say a mistake near time to me, man, we are done. A chile coup and a bit too free power. A chile coup. Because you see, idea a year of inspiration and they say Ekufuado killed and nobody did anything. Why didn't we kill more in 2024 to maintain the power? They still don't understand. So Ghanaians need to go through pain to understand. So they are marking time. They are marking time. And then I'm going to say, the government of today, NDC Abino, whatever they are doing today, they are doing well. And remember, it is not going to be rosary. Definitely, at a point, the government is going to hit a block. But it still does not give a reason to any Ghanaian to hand over power to Ghanaians. Never. Never in the history of Ghana. We should not attempt that. You need to understand that. The American citizens. Say me too better Ghana. Now me for Jamaica. At least I have secured my wife and my kids. But what about you? Obama Fulani, a point will come, people will be killed on the street of Ghana. So the Tumima MPP, they wouldn't care because they are taking inspiration from Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And this is the video where I don't want you to forget this video. A very important video.
Ghana, a peaceful country and a beacon of democracy in its fourth republic, has had violent free elections and transitioned power peacefully without any unrest or civil strife. This has become effortlessly possible because of the peace-loving leaders Ghanaians have successfully elected to lead them. President Kufuor in 2007 perfectly described the attributes of the type of person to lead Ghanaians at all times.
So anybody who is always full of tension and fighting and that sort of thing, we have to be careful about. Whether when the power is given to this person to lead us, he's the type with the experience and with all due respect, the wisdom to be able to keep the country united, to secure the nation, to gain the respect of the forces, the military, the police, the chiefs. Look out for that, because we know the history. Some people have been given power only to lose it just like that. We don't want that.
Even so, this peaceful and beautiful country was handed to Nana Akufo-Addo on the 7th January 2017 as president to lead for 4 years. Many people had reservations about his violent nature, which may have been well hidden from the public, but not from those who knew him best. Mr. Kofi Kumsen, a close friend of President Nana Addo, bluntly stated,
I can't entrust Ghana into the hands of Nana Akufo-Addo. I can't sleep. It's not safe. It's not safe. And I believe that.
Then there's Maxwell Kofi-Juma.
He will be a terrible president.
President Nana Addo's violent nature became immediately apparent as a warlord sponsoring his party hoodlums to attack innocent citizens and public officers alike, as was seen with the beating of ASP Nanka Bruce at the presidency in front of a paralyzed security on the 9th January 2017, just 2 days after Nana Addo had been sworn in as president. President Nana Addo surrounded himself with hoodlums as bodyguards and endorsed vigilante groups such as Invincible Force and Delta Force. Members of these vigilante groups had free rein to attack anyone who was not a member of the president's political party. They went on a rampage, causing mayhem and atrocities on anyone who disagreed with or criticized Nana Addo's government. President Nana Addo's own appointee, the Ashanti Regional Security Coordinator, was heckled, manhandled, and dragged from out of his office like a rat. even our courts were spared by these hoodlums. They vandalized court proceedings and broke free fellow members from judicial justice while attacking the sitting judge in the process. The Ayawaso West Wagon by-election was President Nanado's first test of leadership for peaceful elections in the country. Instead, a battalion of his party hoodlums, dressed in SWAT uniforms and armed with lethal weapons, were discharged to visit mayhem and brutalities on innocent citizens who were simply exercising their constitutional right to vote. The aim of these hoodlums was primarily to intimidate voters in the opponent's stronghold and to prevent a free and fair elections. They fired several rounds of gunshots in and around a polling center targeted at Ghanaians, which led to a bloodbath just for a by-election. All this happened under the explicit and tacit approval of President Nanado. These barbarisms happened without a single condemnation from the president. He immediately flew out of the country to attend a concert, leaving bloodied victims to their fate. He gleefully ignored the recommendations of the Ayawaso West Wagon Commission of Inquiry report by issuing a white paper to whitewash these crimes against Ghanaians. Otumfuo Osei Tutu II advised sternly, and I quote, "Elections with integrity mean the electoral contest, both in their preparation and their conduct, must be free and fair and not disfigured by political motive in front of the Omanhene. Do not worry. We will ensure that everything is resolved." My fellow Ghanaians, has this been resolved? Have things been resolved as the president promised Otumfuo? Has Nanado disbanded these vigilante groups? Did we not in fact see these hoodlums on rampage again in K2 South, Banda, and elsewhere in the just ended?
The disheartening thing about this video, they say, all the people are they are hiding in the dark in Ghana. All the people who helped Ekufuado and Bawumia to kill in 2020, even in 2024, go after Ghanaians, you know. All these boys, these bandits, these criminals, they are all hiding in plain sight. Some of them, we didn't see their faces. Some of them, they still live with us. Some of them, they are still in contact with Bawumia. They are still in contact with the people who led them to do what they did. And all these people are their army in the dark. Now imagine, say, ye Jimmy Asabete, ya tam to me at Yama MPPBM, all the ones that we did not see, all the bandits, the murderers, the killers, the so-called Delta Force boys who were undercover, ye damage, any evidence that we any or all these people are in the system, they are in the dark, they are scared of this new power. Now, all that they are waiting for is for Mahmoud Bawumia MPP to get hold of power. They will all resurrect. They will germinate. And do you know what they can do? Do you know what they would do? Unim di omube tumyaye. Sanko fwe, di amasamne ehu about Bawumia ne Samira ne se. Sanko fwe na omu bo tuo. Omu shishe obenim. Omu anaye nimo omu. Omu yuzi omu eku nipa. And the Ekufuado and the Bawumia, remember, time Ekufuado was power, na Bawumia and the head of the police council. Into Oman Nomusha police in Tadia, Botuo, Techiman South, Bawumia was in charge of the police councilor and Kobetumakas EMB investigations, but why yet? Now, the amount of something you say, Sandy Pa, and the Osha video, no woman, Omubotuno, they are Omaniati, Omoshi Sumu, Omota Frefromo, Omuni Omudin Komo, Mudia Munya Botre. Bode munya abotre bode munya yenya tumia into omo no mudiewu omo mukunipa Ayawaso West den omo nyina ho There are so many of them camera and capture omo. Into omo wa etu hihye omo ho a omo hihye dem. The omo yan say ye be Jimmy atam to me ama MPP. That's all. The omo yan say Yabeko election, na ye Jimmy abete, ni atam to me ama Baumia, yatam to me ama Samira, and no, they will all go back under their bed, or mesa chiomu to an PA, and they'll be more daring than before. Because now, no, Omo who say, so Mobo careless, Moba tam to me ama NDC, into right now, Omo kumu abremwase. So you will be living in a democratic state, but you will be ruled by a tyrant. And you be the Kufuadiano. But the Kufuadiano, we are going to explain 2.0. Say ye Jimmy ni betenya tam to me ma MPP ma. Anytime I catch will say, Mwana, why imagine say a neutral or Ghana. Sometimes I am who call for the radio so ye de nu ya hopa and I buy a buy or nyam cho kwasia. I am who sang for radio and MS3. Yeah, we are neutral. There are no neutrals in this job. Sir, are there a friend governance? You need neutrals. Politics, there are no neutrals. It is alternative radio, so a neutral away Jimmy. Because your interest is important, and your interest is that protect a Omanhene from a woody phone sim. That should be your interest. The party about a Omanhene buying ama wokra. Wonkwa, woma, ene, wonananom, ebenya protection. So bit teams say, I am a neutral, oya kwasia, onim de okeka, ontiasie, oya kronfua, onpeso beka no krachero. In this game, there are no neutrals. Memetiano, mama watiasie, me de no kre ene keep NDC in power. That is my job. Me pese NDC tina power for 2 years. And my philosophy is, me de no kre no ene be protect NDC no matina to me, afa to me, I protect Ghana, atichire Ghana. That is my priority. I'm not neutral in politics. I will see a TV biase. It must have debated no and conform also no multi TV so kasama NDC. Now Omokwasiato, Yantiasia, where they are jinsem, where they are messing Okwasia, if power changes, they will come after you because they see you as an enemy. And whatever you have achieved over the years, say hatred no mumuno, so your TV radio presenter, or your they will come after you. Some of you will be murdered. They will kill you, they will destroy your businesses. That is their target because they are pained. It is anamudi mujimi to radio so and abino where dear may and I'm sure Ujimi na you don't understand where you are. Come to America. You understand politics of interest. The Democrats have their interest. The Republicans have their interest. There's nothing like I'm a neutral. Where Jimmy? What is a neutral in politics? Inti Mama me Jimmy, and I see one thing about Democrats in Ghana. Yeah, Jimmy too much, especially. The opportunity to speak on radio and call themselves radio presenters. We are affiliated to the NDC. Where they are Jegu, where they are Jimmy. Now you think you sitting there, say NDC free power, you are never going to be happy. You need to get these things in your head. If the NDC is even hitting blocks, you need to find a way to guide the government to stay in power. Because whether you like it or not, wow, what peace, Accra FM. Wow, what your friend is saying, XYZ. Wow, what power? Your interests are buying with free power with yate. It's a fact. Nipana will be a business now. What Accra FM no say NDC free power. Say Nipana don't go after him. Remember that same person who was paying you for years now Ujina court no. When the MPP was in power, they dragged that person. It's Anna Munsie Nyansa, Mumubi Amotete, XYZ, Power FM, Accra FM, and Kwasiaki can small boys bia. They have not seen life before. I am my senior comrades Libi allow these young boys, these stupid young boys who are temperamental, foolish boys are building bibi on my brabum. Now better we show so now we can Kwasiasem because the way could 100 Ghana, 1,000 Ghana, a Jimmy 4 boys to be. No, we need to understand. You need to protect what you fought for. The government is not going to be perfect. It's a fact. But that does not mean, say, we should be that stupid for small boys to come and sit there because of their small light bill they will pay. They are small, brebi omumboy and kwasiafon korabi. Then you come and see them sit on Accra FM. Now, senior comrades are allowing these stupid boys with no future. Because when this party goes into opposition, you the comrade, you the senior, you the veteran journalist, you are the target. So what you do is that you protect what is in your interest, and your interest is to keep the NDC in power. We have seen the NDC and we have seen the MPP, and we know what the two parties can do. So there is nothing wrong when a party is fumbling. But for you to create that impression, say, no, the senior comrades are supposed to let them understand. You might have your own problems with the government, but overall, we want our safety, we want our progress, we want to defend ourselves. So there is no way, also it's not radio, so then you try to do the malign or run down the government. Actually, wait, Jimmy, you do not understand where you are sitting. Because where you are sitting is your life. So I small boy now better radio now hosting no only life because anchor life anchor a permanent show or GDB. So you always need to protect me. My interest is to keep the NDC in power. It's a fact. So don't get this wrong. What radio go to so your program, your interest is to tell the people the truth, protect the government, keep the government in power. Because MPP bar power no, the first radio station no, now your radio gold. I didn't share because their interest was to shut the people out. They are no neutrals in politics. And so bit radio city TV guys are neutral with Jimmy or Jimmy because at the end of the day, deciding not to even speak on the issues or things happening in Ghana, you have taken a position. Not to even vote, you have taken a position. So who is neutral? Nobody is neutral. Inti mwa Jimmy na, mote Ghana na, we die, and ya me see, especially the people Ghanaians know some way NDC for. You work in the interest of the NDC. Oh, yeah, NDC, Nino. Don't think it's a power society. You'll be treated fairly. They are not going to treat you fairly. They are not. Nobody in the MPP following Baumia will treat you fairly. You need to get this in your head. Actually, Jimmy, you don't understand. You don't have foresight. You are not seeing ahead of you. Because when check it, jamu femu, I'm a bedru hande. Sanko for a bre no muji to me. Every single person. Now I'm on Facebook and I'm going to check your mom. You don't see and read the pain in their heart. They will condemn you people. They will come after you people. Your security now, mudidi agrono. Mu freedom now, mudidi agrono. They are waiting. They are marking time. Give it to them. When Jimmy Dodo. Abaya betra so 1 year, and do 1 year, 6 months gra. Mumu biti radio take kan kwasi asem, and na menu me ho adentira, me nyo bebe akoka port, wa bodam na nkwa na carry your bragana. Me nyo bebe akoka port, and na me pia demorage, and na we de mentiasie, and na special prosecutor, and na attorney general, and na menu mo bodam. Na mo just power sasa, o you have a foul so will protect you ana. They will come after you. They will come after you. So get these things in your head. Now this is politics, no? You people are not being matured about it. You are being too emotional than being tactical. The job I do here is more tactical than being emotional. It is a way Jimmy and I'll be emotional about being tactical. This is a government. The interest is to bring it to power. Wait may I hear? Your job is to protect it. It might go wrong at a point, but you don't create the impression that it is worse than the government that you fought to bring down. No. It's the way Jimmy. You need to let the people know. NDC Abana is working. No, maybe the way it was supposed to go is not going that way. It does not mean the NDPP needs to be given an opportunity to come close to power. Yeah, Jimmy Dodo. Sometimes you listen to these young boys. And see, Anna the say the veterans, the OGs, the experienced ones are allowing these stupid boys to sit on their radios and then inciting out of emotions. Master Ejuma way. Say all the emotions, yeah, you cannot change a single mind in Ghana. I'm telling you, I don't work with emotions. So I'm a pom bejuma, I'm a pom. If I don't like you, I don't like you. Me, I don't make friends. I don't make friends with people I don't like. I don't do that. That idea of we are NDC ni and the only me MPP ni nya obetu me duro kume. MPP ni nya me obekume. MPP nya obe poison me. Onya me ba obe say no. So I don't play that role. I don't go that line. I don't give myself. I don't create that room. There's nothing like neutrality here. Mama can't show. Say, ye mubi, ye candy, ya fema, ye betra ha. And Kabaka say, Juma when Kienjai. But it's for a reason. Because I don't want bad people to lead you. Do you get it? Let's be realistic here. MPP a dangerous political party. They are sycophants, they are hypocrites. You see, anytime the Bamkacha Ghana for say, when it comes to governance, so we'll compare John Mahama Banwe, one of the best governments in the history of Ghana. I am telling you, Ghana, Abelidi Ghana, less than 2 years, the kind of things that John Mahama Abaya 90% of governments are going to do. Let's be real here. Let's be real. Let's get it real here. All the problems that we were confronted with, the things that we were screaming about, and those things, the government has made efforts. You can see it. You're talking about free SHS. I go for the guy assume for 8 years. Today, free SHS is better. People are screaming and a perishable food and go into free SHS. Every problem that comes up, the government within 72 hours takes care of the problem. At the end of the have you gone to see any perfect government in the world? No, but this government has been exceptional. We are talking about things that were killing us. If you tell me about prosecutions, political prosecutions or criminal prosecutions, I understand. That makes sense. Then you can argue. But some point to Ukodrua, you ask yourself, what can Attorney General do again? Because Ebiani Chairman won't me case way. Attorney General has made his case. Chairman won't me is dilly-dallying. Chairman won't me is delaying. So should I come sit here and insult the Attorney General and go after the Attorney General? No. So let's be considerate. Let's be reasonable and rational. Yeah, the emotions here, politics, no. I said then you started politics, especially the veterans now, the veteran radio presenters, the veterans. Because me, if NDC is not in power today, I can stay in America for 20 years. I wouldn't care. And I wouldn't be hungry. But what about you? You have nowhere to go. So if they target you, they'll come after you and they'll destroy you. So why do you sit there and create an impression and create a room for your own distraction? Where, Jimmy? Because they have tagged you already. They, in their meetings, they call you an enemy. In their meetings, they keep your quotes. In their meetings, they record your shows. They keep it. They put it. Whatever you are doing, they are watching. They need you. Now, where Jimmy to now, so it's radio. So, in a sense, they say, I want people to think I'm neutral. No fucking individual is neutral on this planet. Yes, you can know our interest. Muhammad, peace be unto him, he had his own interest. The interest in say, Allah or Domo Bayade, or Befa in Churchidim, no Makodian, a paradise. That was his interest. Jesus Christ, his interest was supposed to make sure people listen to him, take the word of God, and those people will walk in his shoes, Christ-like people, to go to heaven. The interest was Jesus did not come to die because he was neutral. He came to die for a purpose, and that is the interest he picked. In Jimmy. Politics, no, because neutral. There's no neutrality in politics. The people you see on TV and on radio every single day, they have their reasons. Zato, they are all okasa on your coherent or Jimmy no or Pesaba power. Why do you think he wants Baumia to come to power? What there for the rest of his life? Onya Capre, or himself Baumia will give him a ministerial appointment or education minister into Okan Trokra or Tumi Home. That is his interest. Kofi Bento. He saw them when they were coming up. Kofi Bento but they have become millionaires than them. Today, they want Baumia to come to give them money. We are talking about Asempa. See the job they did in opposition. Asempa's wife, on one of the creative positions. It is interest. When Jina or Jimina, Madam MP grassroots, NDC grassroots, here, and Yantuaba, Uncofona no multi constituents, omnibus or NDC, omnibus will be a store. They are targeting you. Power Sasa, so. It is not about you being angry with the NDC. It is not about you saying you are neutral. It is not about you having an issue with your party. They don't fucking care. They look for your chairman. They look for you because in every community, you do NDC, you MPP, you do Juma NDC for 1 year, you do Juma and the NDC time. They are targeting you. They will come after you. This is the reality I'm telling you. I'm not going to mince words here. I'm not going to lie to you. I am going to let you understand what politics is. It's about interest. Ain't ana mumienja Jimmy no na de better radio situation ma wo so mitim so here munim de amokeka mu Jimmy sit back analyze situations and hardly do you hear people speak about galamsey in Ghana. Hardly. Why? Because the government has taken an initiative. The lands minister, and people find it difficult to even discuss galamsey. Why? It is because it is not there like before. And that is the reason why you voted. So what is your issue about Mentiasia and Abanwe? Actually, when Jimmy on Tiasia. Now, Adia Jomahama Yano, in this few 1 year, 3 months, or 4 months, and Kekufa to me, Biancatia. Now, the Dan Kekufa about Omiako Champagne, they promised 350 senior high schools. Ghana. They promised to build roads. Did you see one road in less than a year? See what is happening around the nation. We are talking about sustainability or sustain our energy sector. Every transformer in Ghana is being changed. Water is being worked on. But what do you need? The dollar is at where it is today, 11. It can't even hit 12. We are talking about inflation, single digit. We are talking about an economy that has been built well by Ato Forsen. You sit there and you stupidly tell me, oh, Mentiasia, and they will come after you. When the MPP gets power, they will come after you. And these things, I'm saving it for the right time. Because me, I have nothing to lose. I've got shit to lose. Nothing. You have something to lose. Because Obianim saw your NDC. Obianim said, you boy NDC. Obianim said, opportunity when the NDC, they will come after you.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.